Hello students, good morning to all. Last video we talked about the exercise 2 division. Okay, um, exercise 2. Again I will take exercise 2, the first sum. um, I will do some sum. Okay, there's two sum. First one 2315 divided by 2 and 9567 divided by 8. I will tell you one real example. This is the amount. You take this is the amount. 2315 is the amount. So two people are there. Two people. Okay. So we want to give this amount to two people. Okay. This is the amount 2315 rupees. I want to give two person. So I want to calculate how much amount each person. So how to I calculate? Take this is the amount 2315 rupees. I want to give two persons. So each person how much amount I want to give. So I want to find out the answer using division. I can find out. Let me say 2315. You know very well, this is the dividend, this is the divisor. You want to find out quotient and remainder. Okay. Okay. First of all, I will take dividend 2, only one digit, because both are same. So I will take only one digit. So 1 2s are 2. Okay. I will subtract 2 minus 2, 0. Okay, now I will take 3. Again I will divide 1 2s are 2. So I will subtract remainder 1. I will take down the 1. Okay. So 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. Remainder 1. Again I will take down 5. So 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 14. So remainder 1. So I can give each person 1157 rupees. Okay. So I have 2315 rupees. I want to give two persons. Okay. So I find out each person 1157 rupees. You can give. Okay. Second one. See, I have 9567 rupees. I want to give 8 persons. How I give? How much amount I have? 9567 rupees. I want to give 8 persons. So how do I give? Using division method only I can give. Okay. So I will find out how much amount I want to give each person. So 9567 is a dividend. 8 is the divisor. So 8 I will take first one digit, because this is the 9 is the bigger than the divisor. So I will take one digit. So 1 8 is 8. 1 8 is equal to 8. So I will subtract remainder 1. So we have 3 numbers now. So I will take down one number 15. So 1 again I want to tell 8 table up to 15. 1 8 is 8, 2 8 are 16. 16 is a larger number. So I will take only one time. So 1 8 is 8. Now I want to subtract 8 minus 15 minus 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 7. 7 is the remainder. So again I will take down 6. Now 76. I want to tell 8 table up to 76. So 1 8 is 8, 2 8s are 16, 3 8s are 24, 4 8s are 38, 32, 5 8s are 40, Okay, 6 8s are 48, 7 8s are 56, 9 8s are 72, 9 8s are 72. So 9 8s are 72. So if you subtract this, you can get 4. Remaining 4 is 7 is there, na? You can take. So now you have to tell 8 table up to 47. 1 8 is 8, 2 8s are 16, 3 8s are 24, 4 8s are 32, 5 8s are 40, okay, 6 8s are 48. So 4 8s are 5 8s are 40. So 5 8s are 40. Remainder 7. So again we cannot divide because 7 is the smaller number than the 8. So we cannot divide. So each person I want to give 1195 rupees. So 8 see I have 9567 rupees. I want to give 8 people. So each person how much amount I want to give? 1195 rupees. If I give 8 people, I have extra 7 rupees. Okay. So this is the answer. If you want to check our answer is right or wrong, this both you can check using multiplication. How I will tell you. First of all, we have to multiply this quotient and divisor. Okay. So 1195 multiply 8. So 8 5s are 40, 40 0, remainder 4. 8 9s are 72, 72 plus 4, 76. 6, remainder 7. 1 8 is 8, 8 plus 7, 15, 5, remainder 1. 1 8 is 8, plus 1, 9. See, 9560, 9560, the remainder is there, na? So we have to add this, plus 7, remainder 7. So 9567 is the dividend. We got the proper dividend. So our answer is correct. Okay, this is the way you can find out the answer and you can check your answer also. Okay.